and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to become an ethical hacker. So I am telling you in this video that how to become ethical hacker. So now skill to become an ethical hacker. The hack like computer knowledge, how the computer works, how to boot the system, how to create a virtual system in our computer, an operating system like Linux. The Linux is the most important operating system in the hacking field because the most of the hackers use a Linux operating system because of its security and it provides a lot of features that help in the hacking field. Topic is networking skill. So we have to develop the knowledge about the networking skill, deep knowledge of networking about LAN, WAN, and Internet protocol like IGP, IP, UDP, networking ports, about network security, public IP, private IP, PV4, IPv4, IPv6, DNS, and etc. Operating system. Deep knowledge about operating system. We have to gain the deep knowledge about the operating system because we will hack any operating system by knowing its weakness. So to know the weakness of an operating system, we have to learn that operating system firstly. So if we are hacking Mac OS, so we have to learn how the Mac works, what are the weakness of the Mac OS. That's all. It's same to Android and iOS also. Knowledge of programming languages like C++, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, Perl, HTML, and PHP. These are the languages I use in the hacking mostly. And these languages are using in reverse engineering also. So we also have to know how the database works, SQL, MySQL. So this helps us a lot. Fourth point is cryptography and fifth point is reverse engineering. The reverse engineering needs the programming languages like C++, Java, Python, PHP, and so on. So our topic is virtualization. So I had created the video already on YouTube channel on VirtualBox Oracle. VirtualBox makes and the another operating system that's run on our computer like Linux. It is a type of the secondary system that provides the virtual space to the operating system. We also have a knowledge about cyber laws because the most of the hackers are doing hacking and don't know any cyber laws. Because of that, they're not knowing that they are doing the legal work or illegal works. That's why this is important to know a cyber laws. So the third point is learning maths. Learning maths increases the problem solving skills. Okay, because the maths is more difficult subject in our class and the problem solving skills is most important skill in our hacking field. So fourth point is don't go directly on it. First gain the basic knowledge of it. Like you have to learn programming languages, you have to learn cyber laws, you have to learn how to set up a virtual box. Don't use termites to hack anyone Instagram because that is illegal works and you will get a punishment of that. So don't use termites to hack anyone Instagram or phishing page because this is so easy to crack. So our topic is degree required to become an ethical hacker. So we are learning now an ethical hacking through online platform. But we required an degree to become an hacker and to get a job. So the first degree is BCA, second was BTech, third was BE, and fourth was BSc. All these four types are in computer science. Now, certifications and learning. This is the most important topic and create our CV more powerful. So the Cisco learning platform is the best platform to learn hacking. Learn from Coursera to do the program provided by Coursera and get the certificate from Coursera. It helps in our CV and make the CV powerful. CCNA certification program provided by Cisco. Both Red Hat certification program. Certified Ethical Hacker Certificate is provided by C Council. OSCP Network Penetration Test course and certificate provided online. You can do that one also. So thanks for watching the video and like and subscribe the video. Thank you.